Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make king chili pickle with bamboo shoot. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need fresh king chilies, tender bamboo shoots, and a selection of aromatic spices. Make sure your chilies and bamboo are thoroughly cleaned and prepped. This initial step is crucial for a delicious and safe pickle. We're aiming for a vibrant, spicy, and tangy flavor profile that truly stands out. Getting these basics right sets the stage for success. Now, let's move on to preparing our ingredients. Carefully chop your king chilies into small, manageable pieces, being mindful of their heat. Next, slice the bamboo shoots into similar sizes. To mellow their natural bitterness, blanch the bamboo shoots in boiling water for about 5 minutes, then drain them well. It's absolutely essential to pat both the chilies and bamboo completely dry before proceeding. Any excess moisture can spoil your pickle. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to combine everything. In a large bowl, mix the chopped king chilies and bamboo shoots with a generous amount of salt and your chosen pickling spices. Incorporate mustard oil and a splash of vinegar. These are key for flavor and preservation. Once thoroughly mixed, transfer the entire concoction into a clean, sterilized, airtight glass jar. Allow it to ferment for at least 1 week in a cool, dark place, shaking daily. After about 1 week, your king chili bamboo shoot pickle will be ready to enjoy. Continue storing it in a cool, dark place to maintain its freshness and allow the flavors to deepen over time. This spicy, tangy condiment pairs wonderfully with rice, noodles, or any meal needing a kick. Remember, a well-made pickle can last for several months. Also, for more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check out the description below this video. Happy pickling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.